Gas fees got you second-guessing your every crypto move? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down what gas fees actually are, why they can get so expensive, and, most importantly, how you can save in 2025, whether you're trading on a DEX or buying crypto through Coinmama. Let's start with the basics. Gas fees are transaction costs paid to the network, usually to miners or validators, for processing your crypto transaction. On Ethereum, they're measured in GUI. On Bitcoin, they're based on transaction size and network congestion. Think of them like highway tolls: the more traffic, the higher the price. And with network demand surging in 2025, these costs can pile up fast. So how can you keep more of your crypto and pay less in gas? Here are some tips. Number 1, time your transactions. Gas prices fluctuate depending on network congestion. Use tools like Etherscan's gas tracker or Blocknative's gas estimator to identify cheaper time windows. Number 2, use Layer 2 solutions. Ethereum's mainnet can be expensive. But Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, and ZK Sync offer the same functionality with much lower fees. Number 3, batch transactions. If you're making multiple transfers or swaps, try bundling them into a single transaction when possible. This can reduce overall gas usage compared to sending several smaller ones separately. Number 4, use wallets that optimize for gas. Some wallets like MetaMask or Rabby now offer gas-saving features, like adjusting the max priority fee or suggesting alternative routes for swaps with lower costs. And number 5, check for protocol rebates. Certain protocols and DEXs occasionally refund a portion of your gas fees or offer incentives to offset costs. It's worth checking before you hit confirm. Now, here's how Coinmama fits in. When you buy crypto on Coinmama, you're not interacting directly with the blockchain like you would on a decentralized exchange. Instead, Coinmama acts as a broker and delivers the crypto straight to your wallet. That means, no manual wallet interaction. No volatile gas prices at checkout. And all fees are clearly included in the quoted price. So, while you won't control gas costs on Coinmama directly, you'll benefit from predictable pricing and fewer surprises, especially helpful for beginners or long-term holders. And that's it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and let us know in the comments, what's the highest gas fee you've ever paid?